friends, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and in this video we're going to do a detailed camera review of the ASUS ZenFone 3 Max. So ASUS ZenFone 3 Max is a successor of ASUS ZenFone Max and it is now launched in India, and this device comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera with autofocus, LED flash, and it has an f2.2 aperture. Along with that there is a 5 megapixel front facing camera with f2.0 aperture. So that was the camera specification of the ASUS ZenFone 3 Max. So let's see how the camera performs in various light conditions. We'll first have a look at the camera interface of this device. So let's open the camera app, and you could see this typical ASUS interface, the camera interface. You can see there are lots of modes included, but unlike the ASUS ZenFone 3 Laser and the ZenFone 3, you could see that a lot of modes are missing. We have HDR mode, beautification, super resolution, low light is there, night mode is there, selfie mode is there, but a lot of other modes like the child mode are missing on this device. So this is a budget device, not the same pricing as the ZenFone 3 Laser, so a lot of modes are missing. And you could also see auto HDR mode is missing on this device. We do have HDR mode, but auto HDR mode does not appear in this camera. Now you can also see there is a front facing camera which is again a 5 megapixel shooter. If you go to the settings, you could see that camera resolution is 4:3 at 13 megapixel. You could change the image quality to fine, and if you go to the video recording, that's where this phone disappoints, because it can record videos only in HD. You could see that there is no full HD option. So that's kind of disappointing for a phone priced in this category. Now there is software video stabilization available. You can also enable that. So that is the camera options available. You could toggle the flash and open the front facing mode, and we have this option to record videos and take pictures. And if in the front facing camera mode, we always have these options. You could see some beautification options are included, so those can be customized from here. So that's the selfie mode, and now let's go straight into the camera samples which we have taken with this device. So first up, let's see the daylight shots. So you could see that in daylight conditions the phone could take some good decent shots with decent color quality, but what didn't impress us was the sharpness levels. The sharpness levels was way too low, and at times you could feel that the images are slightly blurry in nature. That happens with most of the images, not just one or two. The sharpness levels could have been better for a phone in this category, but colors look quite good. At times again there is a saturation issue, but that has been the case with most of the ASUS phones. So some images are slightly saturated, but nevertheless color quality looks quite good, but the sharpness levels are pretty low for a phone in this category. Now talking about the close-up shots, again colors have come quite good. Some photos have almost pretty good color quality, but then again the sharpness levels are not impressive. So that was the daylight shots which we have taken with this device. Now looking at the low light images taken with this device, so in most of the low light conditions or artificial lighting, the phone performs quite decently and does capture the image with pretty decent clarity and color quality. Noise is there, but then it's controlled and not too high for a phone in this segment, but nevertheless you could get some decent photos in low light conditions with this device, but again the sharpness levels are not impressive, and in some extreme low light conditions you could see noise creeping in. Again, that's not uncommon in a phone which is priced in this category. So again the low light photos are kind of okay. We wouldn't say it's the best because the Honor 5C and the Moto G4 Plus, all of these devices have really good cameras, so it does not really match up with the quality offered by Honor 5C or even the Honor 5X or the Moto G4 Plus. So these are the other phones which have really good cameras in this segment. Now talking about the front facing camera, this is 5 megapixel shooter and it does a quite good job with the selfies, and you do get some decent selfies overall, but again the color quality was not quite average, not the best, but still a decent selfie experience, we would say. It won't disappoint most of the users. And now talking about the video recording, that's one area where we already mentioned this phone disappoints. It's just 720p sample which is available on this device. So now summing up, so how good is the camera on the ASUS ZenFone 3 Max? We would say it's quite an average camera. It's not really class leading for a phone in this segment. There are quite a few shortcomings on this device. Sharpness levels are not that great, only 720p recording. There's no recording option available for the front facing camera. So these are some of the shortcomings available on this device, and this device isn't the best camera out there in this segment. So that was the camera review of the Asus Zenfone 3 Max. So hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.